Hello, people out there. My name is Miss Valentina Ifium, and I am from Stimulus TV. Traditionally, the drum has been the soul of most communities, and in Gothad 2023 Workshop Day 2, we'll get to know how drumming has been part of a human existence from day one. Most of us, okay, I'll use myself for example. Since I was born, I have known my uncle, my grandfather to be drumming at home, and it's been exciting. But right now, I've gotten more interested because I got to know that as a female, I can be a drummer. Wait, did you see me drum yesterday? I guess not. Of course I did. If you look behind me, you see most women doing the drum assemble. This is what we call drum assemble. It has to become part of African human existence in the modern generation and moving forward. We intend to showcase Africa at large, not just in Gothad 2023. We engage the young female, the young male, embracing them together, not just for the drum, but to initiate what we call love for drum. Do you know that the drum is a language? Yes, it is a language. It is being interpreted after the drum is being played. Just look behind me. You would see that they are enjoying what they are doing.
One, two, three, go.
They are not just doing it because they've been forced to, because sincerely they're not forced to do this, but they're enjoying it because it is something they have wanted to do. And seeing it that they have to dedicate their time, their energy and moment to enjoy what they are doing, it's something you can applaud the youths for. Okay, with me here we have.
My name is Raphael Ogaji.
Okay, so what do you represent, or who are you in Gothad?
Okay, I'm the chairman, Gothad Abuja chapter, and as well as the director of special duties at the national level.
Isn't that beautiful to have just one person with all these portfolios down here? So please, we'd like you to tell us a little about Gothad.
Okay, Gothad is the Guild of Theatre Drummers. It's the umbrella body guiding and protecting, looking after all professional drummers in Nigeria, Africa and the world at large.
That's beautiful. So as it stands now, does it mean that anybody that attends this workshop right now is officially a drummer and member of Gothad?
There are two things. You can be a drummer and a drum artist. And also you can be a drummer and be a member of Gothad. So this is a step forward. We hope that most of the participants after this will indicate interest and come register to be our member.
Well, my name is Victor Tochkunwe Jinaka, the creative director, Black Bones Theatre Company.
I think we're hearing about Black Bones Theatre Company for the second time, and he said he happens to be the artistic director. Please, can you tell us a little more about Black Bones Theatre?
We are a young entertainment company that deals with all the arts in the theatre, dance, drama, music, etc.
Oh wow, that's awesome. I think we have some troop company here that are into Gothad 2023 Workshop Day 2. So I've seen you, is it teaching some beats for drum? Do you happen to be one of the instructors, or facilitators they call them?
Yes, well, for this third edition of Gothad Workshop Abuja chapter, yes, I happen to be one of the planning committee members and also an instructor too. My area is to train the people on how to understand the rudiments and basics of drumming.
Whoa, 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 that's a beautiful one.
Yeah, one thing about myself and my talent is I like impacting, and it's one thing I enjoy doing. You know, seeing younger people taking over the industry, it gives me a lot of joy and happiness.
I am overwhelmed, like seeing the ladies bringing out their heart to do what they know is used to be usual something for the guys, and they are doing it exceptionally well, and it pleases my heart, and they are open to learn, like they are learning seriously, and they are doing great, so I'm so happy about that.
Okay, Miss Blessing, how do you feel about the drumming for female?
I think there's a whole lot of creativity here right now, because seeing the fact that people here are really, really committed to what they are doing, like it's a lot of reading, melodies. I feel like with the drum industry going on, it's going to be a very big thing in the next years to come. Yeah.
Okay. And as it stands now, do you think they are creating a melodious sound, or they are just doing it for doing sake?
No. Like I said, like there's a whole lot of melodies, there's a whole lot of rhythm. Like it's just good sound. Like I was literally sitting down there and I was moving to every sound they were making there. So like,
Okay. That is to say you're not part of them. You work here?
yeah. As a copper.
Oh, she's actually a corporate here. Okay. Are you a member of Gothad? What do you do for a living?
Yeah, I'm a student from Federal University of Lafayette, and I came for my IT here at Blackbones.
Oh, that's beautiful. An IT student. So how does it feel like? Have you been playing drums for a while?
Yeah, I have. Actually, it was from there you just pulled me out.
Oh, awesome. But it's your first time playing drums?
Yeah, this is my first time.
And you were also hitting it like...
I had to. It's my calling too.
He said this is calling. Who answer is calling. Okay, how does it feel like playing drums with the female?
It's not bad. You know, when you get to meet with female people, you relate with them, and they have this kind of soft, tender hands. But when they played with me, they have that zeal to do more.
But did you feel like if they set me in a competition with this girl, I'll beat her or she'll beat me? Like, was there any competitive spirit in there?
It depends. Like right now, they have to sub me for one girl to enter, and she's doing perfectly fine. So it's a free man's word. So.
So how do you see Gothad 2023 workshop? Do you count it a privilege coming for your IT at this point in time when Gothad is happening?
Yes, definitely. I've never seen an xylophone in my life, and I've never seen where gongs are being made of and stuff. So it's a big opportunity.
I must say, in your word, you really learned a lot from this workshop.
A lot. I have a lot to write about in my school now. So.
He is taking so much back to Lafayette, right?
Yes.
Lafayette, be expecting so much from this gentleman. Be expecting more than just repairing drums, more than just playing the talking drum. Be expecting more of drumming. So, last question. If you go back to Lafayette, do you intend to teach your classmates or just tell them about it?
I'll have to teach them because my production is coming up. So, I'll have to, take what I've learned from here back home so that I will work on it.
Is the chairman, planning committee, Gothad 2023 workshop. Sir, may we meet you?
My name is Onoja James Arome. I am the CEO of Afri Theatre Troupe, and I am the chairman organizing committee Gothad Workshop 2023.
Oh, that's amazing. He mentioned Afri Theatre Troupe. Is it an affiliation with Gothad, or what does Afri Theatre do?
Okay, Afri Theatre Troupe is a multicultural troupe based in Abuja here. We do all kinds of dances, traditional dances, contemporary dances, hip-hop dances, and also we also do scripted plays, improvised plays, and we also do calisthenics.
Okay, so what prompted you into planning Gothad 2023? Is it that you wanted to see that the females are being embraced into the drumming sectors, not only the males?
History, as history days, drum is men are known to be drummers. You hardly find in any part of the world where you see women play drum, except on rare occasions. And we as Gothad members in Abuja, we want to change the narrative. See how we can engage the ladies more. It's a new trend, and most people, like some ladies, are also scared to go into it. And we want to give them an opportunity to express themselves and be free about it, and then teach them modern trends as far as drumming is concerned. We also want to teach them how to make their drums, how to repair their drums, and also how to package themselves in case they have performances or they have a contract and they want to go into it.
So what do? You're a student or?
I'm a student. I'm doing my IT here.
Your IT with?
Blackbone Theatre Company.
Awesome. So I have just one question. There is this thing about drumming here. When a male is drumming, it's actually, we've always seen it from, time memorial. We know that drumming is for male. How do you feel when you see a female drum?
Like, I feel very great. That's like opening doors for other females, giving them that encouragement that they can also do it.
So, do you see yourself a drummer?
Yes, I do.
If given opportunity to drum, are you going to do the normal drum or the talking drum? Which would you do?
The normal drum.
But what have you been taught here concerning drums?
We've been taught how to make drums, the materials used, the principles, the discipline you can do to become a drummer.
Okay, so when going back to school, say you said you're an IT student, when going back to school, you go refresh. What do you intend to tell your colleagues?
A lot of things, like the things we learned here. If possible, show them at our leisure time the things that we've learned.
That's a beautiful one.
Yes, so over time, the act of drumming has just been attributed to the male folks. It's a men's world, and so as we evolve, there's need for the women to be heard through music, and so going to the fact that there are so many female drummers doing very well today, the likes of the ARA and all others, there's need for them. Gothad now saw a need to look to project the female folks. So the festival generally is about our ladies and the act of drumming, trying to encourage them to go into the act of drumming, because it's one thing that will build their personality, is one thing that they can make an earning from. So basically this workshop is for women, and that's why you could see more of the participants are ladies.
Okay, so do you host this workshop yearly or monthly? How does it happen? And if somebody wants to be a part of Gothad, what is required of him or her?
The idea is that, yes, the workshops are held annually, but sometimes there's need for you to do a workshop because of a certain reason, just like this one now. It's just to promote the act of women and appreciate women into drumming. And then at the same time, for you to be a member, all it takes is for you to be a drummer, and then having that push to be a professional drummer. You come there to learn the professional act of drumming. It's no longer that everybody is a drummer, a villager is a drummer, but in this sense, at the professional level, that's what Gothad is preaching. That's why once you want to move to that level of a local drummer to a professional drummer, you need to come to Gothad to be a member.
So what does it take to register?
We have an online registration. For those who are interested, they will meet our executive members and they will run them through the process. It's an online thing for the whole national entirely.
So what are your pages, your social media pages? Should there be anyone out there who would want to do the online registration so they don't get to ask questions all about with this, they can get all their answers?
Okay, we have on Facebook, we have Gothad Nigeria, and we also have Gothad Abuja. So you just like our pages on Facebook, Instagram. There's all the same, Gothad Nigeria or Gothad Abuja. For Gothad Nigeria is for the national, while Gothad Abuja is for the Abuja chapter. We have chapters spread across the country, so each of the chapters have their own pages as well. So
is there any age ranges for being a Gothad member? Do you have to be a certain age to be a member?
Not at all. Once you are a theater art drummers and you want to be part of an umbrella body that will protect and develop your skills, you are welcome to Gothad.
The youths are embracing the future and they are ready to challenge the status quo. Are you willing to support the movement? Gothad is doing awesome. They are doing amazingly by bringing together youths to pursue their visions. Some of them never had this vision, but today, seeing the other youths, the other females, I would say, doing the drumming, they feel the interest and the need to want to drum. I remain your host, Miss Valentina Effium, on Creativity Exclusive. On Stimulus TV, we remain your entertainment TV at all times.